In this video you will learn the basic desoldering techniques. In electronics, desoldering is the removal of solder and components from a circuit board for troubleshooting, repair and replacement. The common tools for desoldering are desoldering pump, wick or braid and heat gun. A desoldering pump is a manually operated device which is used to remove solder from a printed circuit board. This is a plunger-style pump. A plunger type has a cylinder with a spring-loaded piston which is pushed down and locks into place. When triggered by pressing a button, the piston springs up, creating suction that sucks the solder off the soldered connection. Desoldering braid, also known as desoldering wick or solder wick, is finely braided copper wire coated with rosin flux, usually supplied on a roll. Put a small amount of flux on the solder to be removed. Place the wick and soldering iron and melt the solder to be removed. Make sure the solder to be removed is transferred to the wick. Heat gun is used to remove multiple leads component like an integrated circuit. Hot air is applied to the leads to melt the solder simultaneously for easy removal. Adjust the temperature by pressing the up and down button. Use a tweezer to clamp onto the component. Apply hot air to the component to melt the solder on its leads. Pull when the component is loose.